In this video, I want to give you a quick walkthrough of our VA home loan community called VA Loans Made Easy. It is a full training area where you can learn a lot more about the VA home loan program. So let's dive in. Here is our classroom, VA Loans Made Easy. And so in the classroom, I've got lots and lots of videos about everything related to the VA home loan program. Start here, got to get a starter guide. Got a lot of guideline questions because I get a lot of calls about people with different guideline issues. And so we can help you with that. We also help you with VA refis, VA reno. We got calculators in here, a lot of calculators, actually a whole section full of calculators in here as well. I've also got a copy of my book, VA Loans Made Easy, which I actually do offer for sale on Amazon, but you can actually get it for free in this group. And we also have things that other people have provided. So this is a webinar about how to get VA disability benefits and how to raise your rating to get more money. And we also have credit repair stuff too. So if I see something that I think that would be useful for someone that's trying to get a VA home loan, I'll add it to the community. And if you know of anything as well, you're more than welcome to also submit it. Now, we also do have a chat area where you can ask your questions and get things answered by experts, whether it's me or someone else participating in the community. So hopefully you decide to check it out. I would love to see you in this group. It's 100% free.